Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting tutorial lined up for you. We'll be diving into the world of open source cloud computing by installing Nextcloud on openSUSE Linux. If you have been looking for a secure and private way to store your files and data, you are in the right place. So let's get started. Here is my Linux. It's openSUSE. First thing first, if you haven't installed, make sure you have openSUSE Linux installed on your system. Once you all set it, open your terminal, and the first step is to update our system. So sudo zipper refresh and sudo zipper update. And this command will refresh your package list and update all your installed packages to the later versions. Great, now that our system is up to date, let's move on the installation of Nextcloud. First thing we need to do is type in your terminal sudo zipper install -y Apache 2 MariaDB PHP 7 MySQL PHP 7 C-type PHP 7 JSON PHP 7-XML PHP 7 MD string PHP 7 zip PHP 7 GD PHP 7 CUR PHP 7 enter PHP 7 MB string PHP 7 icon v PHP 7 open SSL. That's it. This package is necessary for Nextcloud to run smoothly, and it's already installed on my system. Now that we have all the dependencies installed, let's configure our database. So type sudo systemctl start MySQL. Okay, and enable systemctl enable MySQL. Okay, MariaDB. Okay, and after the we need to secure our database system, so sudo MySQL secure installation. Okay, no anonymous user, we have to remove. Yes, yes, Okay, reload. Okay, with our database set up, let's create our new database and use for Nextcloud. So sudo mysql -u root -p. Password for database. Okay, that is show database. Okay, there is no database. There is no database for our Nextcloud, so we have to create database for Nextcloud. So create database Nextcloud. Okay, and then create user. Okay, my name Nova or Nextcloud user. Add localhost. Identify by Nextcloud past. Okay, grant all privileges on Nextcloud star to Nextcloud user. Okay. Okay, that's it. Now that our database is ready, now our database is ready. Let's download and configure Nextcloud. Go back to our terminal and type sudo super install Nextcloud. That will download just for 47 megabytes. Once Nextcloud is installed, we need to configure Apache or web server. Create a new configuration file. So sudo vidc apache 2 conf name, okay, Nextcloud.conf. Here's our Nextcloud.conf. Okay, that's okay. We need to save and exit. After that, now let's set the correct permission. So sudo chain o Apache okay, what is the username? That maybe www.run, not Apache. So www.run and www.run. Okay. Finally restart Apache. So sudo system control restart Apache 2. After there you have Nextcloud is now successfully installed on your openSUSE Linux system. You can access it by navigating to our server's IP address or domain name in our web browser. So my IP address is 192.168.1.122. So one nine two dot 192.168. Sorry, I forgot 1.112. So Nextcloud. Okay, here it is. That's for today's tutorial. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more open source and Linux related content. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.